Have you ever wondered what the difference between 12 and 24 volt LED strips is? If you're considering LED lighting for your space, understanding these differences can help you make the best choice for your needs. There are several pros and cons to both 12 volt and 24 volt LED strips that make them more suited to different projects. Let's start with 24 volt LED strips. Here are some of their key advantages. 24 volt LED strips require half as much current as 12 volt strips, reducing the amount of control gear required. To better understand this, let's look at the basic calculations. In a 24 volt system with a maximum output of 6 amps, you get a total power of 144 watts. This is calculated by multiplying the voltage by the current. On the other hand, in a 12 volt system with the same maximum output of 6 amps, you get a total power of only 72 watts. Let's move on to the benefits of 12 volt and 24 volt LED strips. 12 volt strips match the voltage used by cars, boats, and trucks, making them ideal when adding lighting to these vehicles. When you need to exactly match a specific length, 12 volts is better due to its more frequent cut points, which is often essential when adding lighting to tight spaces. Because 24 volt LED strips deliver consistent brightness over longer lengths. They're ideal for larger areas or projects where you need to run the strip for a longer distance. They often come with robust connectors, and can handle longer runs without needing extra power supplies. 12 volt LED strips are generally more power efficient for short runs, but they can generate more heat in longer stretches, which might affect performance. 24 volt LED strips tend to be more efficient in longer runs. They generate less heat compared to their 12 volt counterparts over the same distance, which can be beneficial for maintaining performance and longevity. Now let's take a look at the construction of LED strip. 12 volt strips typically have more frequent cut points, making it easier to cut them to specific lengths. When it comes to cost and availability, our 12 volt and 24 volt LED strips cost the same. We have connectors that can fit both 12 volt and 24 volt LED strips. In most cases, 24 volt LED strip is the best option, unless you have a specific need for a 12 volt LED strip. If you're still unsure which option is best for your project, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help with all your LED questions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more lighting tips and guides.